On 22nd September 2022, the MLA of Umroi and also member of the Meghalaya Trinamool Congress, B Lyngdoh, along with members of the party, had attended the meeting at Khanapara in Ri Bhoi District that was called by various pressure groups like the MPUF, RBYO, HANM and others to oppose the government's decision to the setting up of casinos in the state. While the crowd was trying to destroy the gates leading to the casino, an intervention of the Meghalaya police put a stop to the advances of the irated mob. Speaking to reporters, B Lyngdoh said that the general public, especially residents of Ri Bhoi, are opposed to the setting up of casinos in the area as this would have a negative impact on the integrity and well-being of young people across the state. Lyngdoh therefore demanded from the government the scrapping of the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Law 2021, which allows for issuance of licenses to locals to set up casinos and operate online gaming and betting. The Umroi MLA, who showed support to the agitating youth, demanded that the state government should once and for all recall all the licenses issued to 3 particular persons that permit them to run casinos and also to immediately stop all permissions for online betting and gaming across the state.
Nakadaw ban Persia ya gidi casino ke badon hang ne hotel Ri Bhoi ke bang sarkar wa mun ban penyeng ban penyai ha ki det singi na ke ke bang yo ban lum na po ga assembly ke ban sudap ha ke bar na yes yo smo bro bar nilai iro ikot kisla ba sarkar la depan ai license ya lai not ki breu ban penyai ya casino hang ne po jela ke jungi de kat ku jing tip yo bon ni ke debe ya po Ri Bhoi ke jungi Makanya kajing ai ini license ini casino kedai hajin bagi wanra ya ka ain ke bagiong ke Meghalaya Regulation Gaming Law HANM RBYO. Kini ka ain ke keren lightly ke benta. Ke benta ke benkong ke bagiong ke long ban wanra ya ki physical location ni ki jaka ha ka ba. Kindai kita kitam khalai ani ki casino baong ha tin nongwe ba kata ni ka ain ka ailat ba license ya kita ki beri ki bala mulai ki bedon kita jing kumbon bo ya ki jam khalai kata ko beningko kebaan ka ain ko keren ba pila bandon ru online gambling kamumun makom bay le kai game ki kena apo ki mobile pira ru ban ya khalai ha ki mobile ki jumpi lemba ko online lemba ke internet ba ki mobile ki ba kati kebalai pa kene ka ain ru ba keren sepang ko online betting kamumun ba pila ban ya thong pisa na ka benta ki jile kai ki boker roper haki sport cricket football bat kiwe te na ta daw ajing persya jungi kamdai tang na ka benta ka casino ajing persya nagalyang sai ko ki ban weng ka anyi pro ko we amar ba tang ka casino ko kadai ko pai ba le persya lupa ka bangi da songu sobrom ya baro ki seng ki bala wan sekmat ban pedi kata ajing persya ba ajing sungo ko jing pai ba na ka besim khia na ka benta ikun kiti bakalwe jo bajela ba khamtam e jo Ri Bhoi nang tapat hajo ko por gajing kentu ko lang ban petlem ni kini giwe pat ki kendon ai ki ba ailat e online gaming but online betting ka ba kini gelak pun wanra sibun ba gijing ko dong ikun samla ki bangi i ba menta mobile kala long sisa ki ke ba borok ki don ka bor ha kiti ki jumki kala sai hadin hambut kini kanang pen kerni pat ya ki kon samlaru ha kabede baki kam khalai ndai nagda kimwan si casino ru kin lek kai haye kin lek kai hagi jaka ki bidon la bendon ki lek kai ru hagi jaka kule la bendon ki lek kai hagi jaka ki ba mo ki per bagi kon samla ki la ban pengop ya ledi hati kini ki snio